What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Today we got another unboxing. It's the Pissed Off Barber Mini Skull Slime Edition. As you can see here, this is a shaver, so we're gonna get this popped open and let you guys see what's inside. I'm pretty sure it's not much inside besides the charger and the shaver, but I'm gonna put it to use and see what it operates like inside the shop, and I'll explain a little bit of uses for a single foil. So let's get to the video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, everybody, so we're gonna go ahead and slice this bad boy open. Take this plastic off here. So with all the slime edition, you got the green slime type colorway. You know, I'm digging that. I like the packaging the Pissed Off Barber has for all of his clippers. They're very colorful, very bright, very catching to the eye. But we're going to pop this open here. Inside we have our, it's like a lime green color with a little bit of gold trim. Yeah. So you got the gold trim logo on there, mini skull, lime green, and you can see there, all gold. You got your power switch on the side, and then your charging port right there on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how this operates, how it works. It's very small, compact, and there's certain areas that I would use this for. I don't have a single foil shaver in my arsenal right now, so we're gonna go ahead and see what I could do with this. It's gonna be more of a detailing tool rather than a bulk remover, for sure, being that it is only a single foil. But I'll show you guys some instances in which I'll use that. So let's get to the video. Let's get to operating these. I'll let you hear real quick. Well, before that, inside the box, you have your charger. You got your cleaning brush, and you also have your instruction manual. As usual with any clipper, trimmer, shaver. But like I said, I'm gonna get it charged up and see what it does. But I'll let y'all hear it real quick. That does feel very powerful. You can see the indicator light showing that it is on. But I'm liking these. They're pretty cool. They're pretty. It's gonna get in some areas that I can use it very well. And I'm gonna show y'all those areas here in a bit. What's good, everybody? So you can see how these tools are operating. It's taking off that hair underneath his beard line very well. It's just a single foil, so you know, with double foils you're gonna get much more bulk taken off, but I just wanted to showcase the power and the precision of this tool. Being that it is a single foil, it is very precise on the lines that it makes. It cuts very well. It eats through bulk. It's very powerful. You know, and I'm not just saying this to say this. I was very impressed with this tool. You can actually get it on Amazon and at thepissedoffbarber.com. But right here, you can see I'm using it on the neckline. I use it around the ears to clean up that area. A lot of people may use a razor, but this single foil shaver comes in handy when it comes to getting those tight areas, those tight corners, those tight round spaces. So that's what this single foil shaver is going to be. That's what it's gonna be purposed for behind my chair, specifically. So you can see it's balding out very nice. So right here I'm attacking that C cup, and you can see how I'm turning that shaver, how it performs and how it actually gets a curved line where normally people would use a razor. But that, you know, that's just an easier method to do, an easier message to use if you don't know how to use a razor. But we're knocking out all that bulk, all the stubble that was underneath the back edge up. And like I said, I'm extremely satisfied and extremely pleased with how these tools operated. You know, a lot of times we see the price of a clipper or a trimmer, and because it's cheaper, we automatically assume that it doesn't work, and we're just ingrained to think like that. We always think to ourselves that you get what you pay for. And in some instances that's true, but in this specific instance, the shaver is $29 on Amazon right now. if you got Prime, you get it in 2 days. So go hop on Amazon. I'll leave it just a link in the description where you can purchase these specific tools. And if you're international and you don't have Amazon, I would say go to thepissedoffbarber.com, use my code Jayblends, get you some free shipping, and get these tools in your arsenal. There is a use for it. So you can see right here, it is debulking. This is one of my bald clients, and it's just knocking out the stubble on top of his head easily. And like I said, very impressed with this tool. I say add it to your arsenal. For 29 bucks, you know, that's not a bad price. You can't really beat that as far as, you know, being frugal and getting a shaver that actually works. So check that out. Go cop this shaver, add it to your arsenal. Let me know what you think once you get it, how it operates for you. But that's my review for this specific shaver. I thank y'all for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications, and got more videos coming through. Got another tutorial, some more vlogs, so just stay tuned. Until next time, God bless.